And we are competing with armed robbers and the bandits to recruit from the youths who are unemployed. 33% unemployed. Recruit 50 million youths into the army and take away from their recruitment source. What they will eat? Cassava, àgbàdo, corn,
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu,
yam in the afternoon. It's growing here. You create demand and consumption.
To end insecurity in Nigeria.
For over 5 million army of boot camps.
To many people, it was like a comic relief.
We create our food.
But given the situation,
that's money for the farmers. That's consumption.
What has the president done about that?
For the and skill development.
Of recruiting 50 million youths.
Don't call them by illiterate. Don't talk about illiteracy. Anybody who can own gun, who can handle gun, who can cock gun and clean the chamber and cock and shoot is technically competent to repair a tractor in the farm.
What is the solution? Why has the president forgotten about the recruitment he talked about? The recruitment of 50 million youths. Because part of the challenge we are facing in insecurity in Nigeria is because we don't have enough boots on ground. So many communities are left at the mercy of bandits and herdsmen and terrorists and all kinds of non-state actors that have been let loose around Nigeria. When he said it, people derided him and all that. Of course, it was comical, the way he was talking about what do they need to do. Just give them cassava, àgbàdo, and corn and yam. And all that. Creating supply and demand and supply. All those kind of things. People were laughing at it that time. But on a serious note, it means that even himself didn't take it serious. But it is something that should be taken serious. Recruitment of more people to protect Nigerians, to ensure that farmers go to their farm, to ensure that our roads are safe, to ensure that people are safe in their homes. But everybody has forgotten about these 50 million youths that he talked about can solve the problem of insecurity. Because you can see the way he's domino. When he said it, he was saying that it was like, what is Buhari waiting for to think about this direction? But he has been on power now for 2 years. What has he done about that 50 million youths, unemployed youths he was talking about, that they could be recruited and be fed? Even if he was talking about that they will be fed with àgbàdo and cassava and whatnot. But at least it is something, an issue he raised that tried to address the problem of lack of enough men, enough boots on ground across Nigeria. But since he don't talk about it again, it means that he wasn't serious, even himself was not serious about it. Because if it is something that he was passionate about 2 years into his regime, and with insecurity at the rate it is going in Nigeria right now. Recently you heard the former Attorney General and Minister of Justice of Nigeria, Malami, criticizing his own party, the All Progressives Congress, of misplacement of priority, following their endorsement of Bola Ahmed Tinubu for second term. Saying in a country where people are dying of insecurity, where people are dying of poverty, all you could think about is the endorsement of the president for second time at the middle of his first term. So it means they are not paying attention. So Tinubu himself has forgotten this video that he promised that all you need to solve this problem is to recruit 50 million youths, unemployed youths. All that you need is to feed them with cassava, with agbado, with corn and yam. And he talk about that, imagine 50 million recruited, that it will create demand and supply. Because when you recruit 50 million that will be fed by the federal government, farmers will have to farm more cassava, more agbado, more corn, more yam. You create demand and supply. It's a win-win situation. But why is he not talking about it? He's not talking about it because even when he was saying it, it means he didn't mean it. Because if he meant it, having more foot on ground can help address some of the issues. If you look at a state like Niger, it has the largest landmass in Nigeria. You have thousands of hectares of land that are unoccupied. And this has become heavens for bandits and all kinds of criminal elements. But when you have enough food, enough foot on ground, enough boot on ground, at least everywhere will be covered. I think that's his video. Someone need to play it again for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to remind him of the common sense, because what he suggested, the military may not look at it from that perspective, but that is a common sense solution that if it's applied very well and you are able to get people, recruit them, even put them in their states where they understand their terrain, their environment, recruit them. It's 50 million youths. Recruit them, but you'll be operating in your state where you understand the topography, you understand the geography. It's not like recruitment where they recruit people, police, and then move you from your state of origin to another state where you know nothing about. If they do that, it can help to address the insecurity that is crippling the economy of Nigeria and causing food scarcity in the country. I don't know what to think about this. Bola Ahmed Tinubu's trending video before the election in 2023, where he promised recruitment of 50 million youths, or where he identified the recruitment of 50 million youths as the solution to the insecurity in the country. Do you think he should be reminded about this if he was serious when he made it? Because he doesn't talk about it anymore, it appears it was just a gimmick he was doing at that time. He wasn't serious about it, but it is something that should be taken seriously. I don't know what to think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel or not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell anytime I have a new video. You'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.